Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Danghang ni katayo kipai ba nong song jong jela Meghalaya kledep sakhi ya jing pilip boarding jong katana sam boarding ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat ke jing pilip boarding kas nang ya bitang nang ni shkhman Menteri katana sam boarding jong jela wabu tahir Mondal ha khanya utrik ulber aja arphulai ula Pyntip hadin bal bishabnya ya jing long jingman ke Jingkyrduh boarding ke swaning shop nakadaw jong jing terkhong jong ke Mariang Henry wala kata nakaliang jong Union Menteri katana sam boarding ulai tho bakatana ikan sepersang menilai kat bala ban kiar nak jing pilip boarding kha khanang bakanom kta ya kipai ba bakaptam e kina school ki bang na pleng jing ile examen
Taking over the ministry, I thought that it will be right to know the entire things in the department, and we discuss all these things. We will take all-out steps to see that this corporation functions properly and losses are minimized. Not only the people of the state, but even the corporation officers also get the end benefits. Our level best to see at least we avoid load shedding during the examination period. We are trying our level best, and after it is over, then we'll see how we are placed. No, we are having CMD at present, one IS officer, and he was performing very well. And as per technocrat, I think you are meaning Power Distribution Corporation Limited. So that we are to take call yet, because already we have a technocrat there as MD distribution company. Now no new power project idea we are mooting, or rather you can say that what about the old power projects. I am taking a call on this issue also. And after the budget session, we'll have another review meeting as per the this MOU signed between the government and the private power producers, and we'll take a call on it, because it is no point keeping this memorandum live when the parties are not interested to execute the work. We have discussed power scenario. Then dry season is coming. It has already come. So the shortage of power supply in the grid. So all these things are there. That's why we thought that we should take a call on all these issues. Yeah, if there is no rain immediately, naturally we will face a situation where we may have to resort to load shedding. Yeah, that I can give you afterwards. Now I have asked the department to get everything ready for me. For new power project or any venture like that, we got to consider the views expressed by every stakeholder. This doesn't mean that we are telling about the domestic services. Dues means all commercial and also industrial sectors also.